Hello my good people. Today I'm gonna show you how to play a very beautiful song made out of very basic chords. We have the C, we have the G, and we have an F. It's so easy, a 7-year-old can play. You can play it even with your eyes closed. So let's jump into it. What I have done is I have inverted the chords. You have a C and a G. I'm playing an inversion, so it's not that complicated. Don't be scared. It's just a simple inversion. You can play it also like this. If you think it's easier for you, you can play like this. If you are a complete beginner, you can play it like this, because I know you haven't figured out yet about the inversion, so you can just play in a simple way until you get there. Baby steps. Woo! Making something beautiful out of the minimal ingredients we can get. These are just basic chords. A C, that's it. Thank you for watching. God bless you.